Understanding the significance of core Java in the software field. Java is the foundation of many software applications, a key programming language widely used in the industry. It's essential for anyone pursuing a career in software development, forming the building blocks for advanced languages and concepts. In India and abroad, job opportunities are plentiful for core Java experts, with competitive salaries and potential for growth. Whether you're just starting out or looking to advance your career, learning core Java can open up a world of opportunities for you. Enroll now for our expert-led training sessions.